Hello and welcome to Valentine's Day vocabulary. Wait, I can't see you with those on. How's it going? Today we're going to do some Valentine's Day vocabulary to help you talk about the day of love, Valentine's Day. It's huge in the United States, and I'm pretty sure it's huge around the world. So today we're going to learn some vocabulary to help us speak confidently and have some fun. Are you ready? Come on. Our first word is Valentine. Oh, I know. It looks like it should be Valentine or Valentine, Valentine, but it's pronounced Val, short A, untine. Valentine. A person you love or give a card to on Valentine's Day. Would you be my Valentine? We also sometimes call the card itself a Valentine. I got you a Valentine. I got you a Valentine's Day card. Valentine. Got it? It could be a person or it could be the actual card. Valentine. Who is your Valentine? Hmm? Your Valentine can also be known as your sweetheart. 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 Yeah, it's a term of endearment for a loved one. Who is your sweetheart? Now, these candies, these are also called sweethearts. You buy them and they break your teeth because they're so hard. But this candy is known as a sweetheart. And if you call someone a sweetheart, you're calling them a very special loved one. Who is your sweetheart? My sweetheart is my husband. Our next vocabulary word is cupid. Cupid. Not cupid, but cupid. It's got the U. Cupid. It's a mythical figure who represents love, often shown with a bow and arrow. Cupid pulls back its bow, and when the arrow strikes someone, they fall in love. Cupid. Has Cupid visited you? Cupid. Do you have a crush? Crush. Crush sounds so violent, like I'm going to crush the can. But crush is a romantic attraction to someone. Hey, she's crushing on you. Hey, she's liking you in a romantic way. Or he's my crush. He's someone that you're romantically attracted to. A crush. Do you have a crush? My husband is still my crush. Maybe you want to go past the crush and go on a date. Date. It's a long A sound. Date. It's a social outing with someone you have a romantic interest in. You are romantically interested in. So let's go out on a date. Many people like to go out on a date for Valentine's Day. This big word right here, romance. Romance. Romance or romance. It's a strong feeling of love and attraction. Many people like to read romance novels. Romance. Are you in a romance? Are you? Romance. Try to use it in a sentence. There's romance in the air. There's a feeling of love and attraction in the air. Romance. This word is kind of big. Affection. 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 A feeling of love or fondness. I have an affection for my children and my grandchildren. Affection. Affection. Looks like it should be pronounced affection, but it's not. It's affection. Got it? Our next word is admiration. Say it with me. Admiration. Put it all together. Admiration. A deep respect and liking for someone. I have a great admiration for my friend. I have a deep respect and liking for my friend. Admiration. Admiration. Do you have an admiration for someone in your life? Do you? This word, two words, secret admirer. What? Let's try that again. Secret admirer. Secret admirer. The first syllable is a long E. Secret admirer. That is hard to do. Secret admirer. Someone who likes someone but does not reveal their identity. This young lady has a secret admirer. They sent her flowers, but she doesn't know from whom. It is a secret admirer. Billions of dollars is spent on this candy. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Americans, we pronounce it chocolate. It's a popular sweet treat given on Valentine's Day. Billions and billions of dollars are spent purchasing chocolate. Do you like chocolate? I know it looks like chocolate, but we don't pronounce it that way. No, we pronounce it chocolate. Chocolate. I love chocolate. What about you? These are beautiful. And billions of dollars are spent on these every year on Valentine's Day. They are roses. Roses. Not roses. Roses. It's like there's two Z's and not two S's. Or if you're an American, two Z's and you're roses. A common flower given as a romantic gesture. These roses are red and white. Roses. Oh, look at these lovebirds. Lovebirds. I know it looks like birds, but it's not. It's love birds. And it's a term we give for people who are in love. Two people in love, they are just lovely lovebirds. But these are actual lovebirds. So we say a couple is a pair of lovebirds when they are totally in love. Lovebirds. Oh, look at that young man. He's making a proposal. 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 The act of asking someone to marry you. He's popping the question. That's an idiom. To pop the question means to propose marriage. But he is making a proposal to her. Proposal. Got it? Oh, she said yes. And now they have an engagement. 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 Can you say it? Engagement. High five. It's the period before marriage after a proposal. So when you accept the proposal, you are in the time of engagement. Engagement. Heartfelt. Heartfelt. Something that is deeply felt and sincere. He has a lot of heartfelt feelings for his young lady. She has many heartfelt feelings towards him. Heartfelt. Got it? Heartfelt. It's something that is deeply felt and sincere. Heartfelt. Well, there you have it, my friends. A list of vocabulary words to help you talk about romance and Valentine's Day. Maybe you're not going to be around on Valentine's Day, but you can use these words anytime. This is just a vocabulary list to help you because it's Valentine's week. Hope you enjoyed this video. Why do we have so many fun words to describe love and Valentine's Day? I don't know, but I really hope this helped. Peace, friends.